How to manage images display settings on Gmail PC. Hello guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to manage the settings of images display options. So all what you have to do is go to Gmail. Now this is the home page, as you can see right here. Go to the top and click on this settings option and click on see all settings. Now after you click, it will take you to this page. Scroll down until you find images option. Now here choose if you want always display external images or ask before displaying external images. Choose the one that you want and click on it and go down and click save changes. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. See you later.